Smell Christmas too? Smell it. Here, smell. What does it smell like?
It smells like apple pie.
Like smell
apple pie.
Pie. Here. Let's see. He's going outside. It says, after breakfast, Father Bear pulled Little Bear on his sled. Are we going to find Christmas, Daddy? Asked Bear. No, we are going to find a nice little pine tree to take home for a Christmas tree.
I know.
For a pine tree. Oh, can you smell the pine tree too?
It smells like pine tree. It smells like sap.
It smells like sap, Lindsay. Oh, it smells like sap.
Toe.
Look at the Christmas tree. It says, then the Bear family trimmed their tree. It was fun. They hung lovely glass balls and delivered silvery tinsel on the tree. On the very top, Father put a beautiful star. Something is missing. What can it be? Oh, candy canes. Can you smell like candy canes?
Yeah. Candy cane.
You like candy canes? You want to smell, Molly? Come here. Right here.
Smell right here. Candy.
Yeah.
I smell one more time.
Let's see.